Привет, my comrades! My name is Dmitry Ivanovich Mendelev. I'm the amazing Russian chemist and the inventor that came up with the periodic law. I was born on January 27 in Tobolsk, Siberia. My father went blind after my birth. He then died in 1847. Then, a year later, my mother decided to move to St. Petersburg. My mother died soon after I graduated. I received a master's degree in 1856 and I decided to begin a research in organic chemistry for 2 years. I went to the University of Edinburgh. However, instead of working with my colleagues, I decided to set up a lab in my own apartment. In September 1860, I attended International Chemistry Congress in Karlsruhe, Germany. There, I met a lot of Europe's great chemists. In 1961, I have returned to St. Petersburg and became a professor of general chemistry in 1867. And I continued to teach there until 1890. But none of that matters because that's not really how I became famous. What I became famous for is the periodic table of elements. I have published a textbook on organic chemistry in 1861 that have been awarded the prestigious Demidoff Award, by the way. I decided to write another one, The Principles of Chemistry, which became a classic, getting many editions and translations. While I was playing around with elements to create the book, I have discovered that some elements have similar atomic weights. So I wondered if any other elements have similar properties. And so I established that the order of atomic weights could be used not only to arrange the elements within each group, but also to arrange the groups themselves. And that's how I created the periodic law. My new formal law was announced in March 1869 with the statement, elements arranged according to their value of their atomic weights present a clear periodicity of properties. That law allowed me to create a table of 70 elements. At first, the whole thing wasn't really gaining interest among other chemists, but with the time passing, it became the framework of chemical theory. Before my death in 1907 of flu, I enjoyed international recognition and had received distinctions and awards from many countries all over the world.